Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, it's been a while, but I'm going to try milking a cow. So the last time I remember milking Princess, and I did a very great job. So I'm going to try milking her again today. Meanwhile, the calf is called Shalom. Yeah. The calf is called Shalom, and it has grown. I'll show you later, but it has grown, and we concluded that its name is Shalom. So I'm going to be trying my best to milk the cow, and then we are going to collect the milk and put it there in that pile of 20 liters.
This
And
princess.
yes, this is yeah, and that's Princess, the lovely cow.
No, cho anh son. Anh đang nghe là muốn mình nghe nào. Lên đây chị đang.
Guys, actually, Malao, the other cow that gives us milk, is probably grazing because it's not back home yet. So we might milk it in the evening. I mean,
Bây giờ bé mang chặt. Jono merba.
guys, this is Shalom the calf, and it has grown. See how healthy it is. Hey, hello, hi.
Cái này giờ đây bé được.
Shalom. Hello.
Boy, sister there.
Yeah. I'm okay. How are you? You're fine. Do you want to milk? You come and try. You pull. Eh? See? You see? You pull. You try.
Yeah.
Okay, you go with my hand. Hold my hand. Hold here. We milk together. Ready? You see? You milked a cow. You have seen?
Aika.
Chung.
Thế này này.
I'm actually milking a cow. A cow be a nyova. What's in it?
Beri tema dasma. Mabe, jadi mabe betul. Apa di mabe? Apa?
What's in it?
Dia wa.
At man panggil
Bagi
tu man.
kita lagi. Macam bol.
Naman kecil. Apa apparently I can only milk with one arm, and that's quite irritating because the arm gets tired quickly. And for some reason I put, oh, never mind.
Go. There you go.
Auntie, I'm milking! Yes! But I'm slow for some reason. Yo. Hey.
Princess.
Good girl. Good girl.
No. The bad guy.
Wait, princess.
Cái đọt cái này cái này lên 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 lên
Tia biru kakan.
này kan
Yes.
Cristo. Biar kau, iya itu jadi. Biar kau.
Singamba. I'm tired.
Saya.
Esa Timo. Timo ba. Timo. Guys, so I've tried milking. For some reason when I'm milking, it's like the milk is not moving. But I have tried and I just realized that it's actually this one that was working best. Although for some reason the milk kept dripping on me. But Princess is a good cow and I've done my best. Therefore, this is how we milk cows in Africa. Yeah. So guys, apparently this cow doesn't have a name and Malau is not around, so we're going to milk this cow instead.
Gloria. Ano? Lama mo ban. Jangan di tema salah.
Garugava? Tia mitungo.
Kwa hiyo. Ema tada.
Daho? Tia mitu daho. Berunga? Nga? Man berunga? Galugava. Guys, they're saying Galugava wants the girl. And the girl is this one that has no name. Galugava has a name, but this one doesn't have a name. So my uncle just told me to my Petier. So my uncle just told me to give it any name, and I've given it Petier, which in my language it means not there. Petier, how are you? Petit. Oh my god, guys, this one is called Obama. Obama. I had to come all the way here to just show you. This black cow is called Muhozi. Can you believe it, guys? This black cow is called Muhozi. I already showed you Obama. This one is Rashid. Rashid, stand up. Get up, stand up. Rashid. This one which is tied up is Yemima. Yemima has an issue. Every evening it's loud and it's very disobedient, but only in the evenings. I do not know why, but every evening, once it's back from grazing, it is a different cow when it comes back. But during the day, it's very peaceful. Okay, not really, because they've tied it up because it can fight with the other cows. But this is Yemima. Yeah, it's one of the loudest. The loudest during the day is Malau, and then this one is on the loudest in the evening. But guys, it's too loud and very disobedient. It likes to fight a lot. This calf is called Bokching. Bokching, as in, I don't even know. Bokching? I'll be able to remember their names, but I doubt I'll be able to remember all, because some of them are complicated. Except Obama, Muhozi, Princess, Malau, Yemima, Bokching. Anyway, the sheep and the goat are very many for me to actually remember. And some of them don't have names, but some of them do. One of them is Miriam, because my cousin is called Miriam. That's how I remember that goat. Also because it is stubborn. So one day we're trying to put it back, to put it in its house, yeah, and it refused. It like sat down, and we're trying to push it and like trying to. It's just stubborn. We're trying to like let it go into its house, but it did not want to, so it sat down. Imagine a kid sitting down on the floor being paranoid because maybe their parent has told them something, and so maybe the parent has refused to buy for them a gift, and so they sit down on the floor and cross their arms. And so that is how Miriam was. Actually, she's still stubborn. That's how she is. She's stubborn, yeah.